Does life feel like you're spending all your time focusing on other people? That it's just sort of routine and run of the mill, not all that exciting, there's not a whole lot of passion, it feels kind of dull? I want to change that for you. I think you deserve a life as big and as wonderful and as passionate as you want it to be. You deserve to be celebrated. That's exactly why I am hosting this Galentine's Day brunch where the theme is going to be self-love and confidence. I'm going to be offering a workshop so that you're able to transform your relationship with yourself. We spend so much time thinking about other people, putting other people first, playing our roles as mother, as employee, as wife, as girlfriend, as daughter. But what about you? What about all of who you are beyond those titles? Don't you deserve something more? Don't you deserve time to focus on yourself? Take that time out for yourself and really commit some time to thinking about your dreams. Remember those? Remember those dreams that you had when you were younger that maybe you put on the back burner. Time to pull them out of wherever you stash them away and refresh them. Learn how to let go of the limiting stories that are holding you back. You're going to walk away from this transformational workshop with, of course, a belly full of delicious brunch food. I can't wait for you to hear the menu. I just finished planning it last night, so I'm going to be releasing it soon. And tools so that you never beat yourself up ever again. How freeing would that feel? Then you're also going to develop a new confidence blueprint so you walk through life with your head held high, full of passion and excitement every day. And you're going to create a daily ritual that you're going to practice. It doesn't take much time at all, but it will help you take steps towards the future that you deserve. Let go of living a dull life. Upgrade, raise your standards, and get in a room of women who are also going to elevate you. You deserve this. Join me February 25th, and I hope to see you there.